गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपको फाइन आर्ट्स का पहला और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ। इस चैप्टर में आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि किस प्रकार प्री हिस्टोरिक रॉक्स में किस प्रकार की आकृतियों रंगों का प्रयोग किया गया और कहाँ पर किस प्रकार विकसित हुई। Why we started with the idea of culture or why this culture study came into existence. Now, once the men started to have a kind of settled life, they had their basic requirements of food, clothing and shelter. That was fulfilled. Now, once their requirements was fulfilled, he started to explore for new renews. These was in the form of paintings. Now, the initial man who started this, it was during the period of Old Stone Age. And when we think about the period of Old Stone Age, obviously at that time there was no written text, no written documents, no papers. That was there, so they expresses his feeling and emotions. That emotions was through paintings that were made. Now, these paintings were made obviously in the caves. So, caves used to be the canvas for the old age man. Old Stone Age period. This Old Stone Age period, also known as prehistoric and Paleolithic age. Now, with the equation we have seen there were pottery, habitats, bones and cave paintings. Cave were the main paintings area during that time. Again, why do we think these caves or rocks were chosen as the site for paintings? Because they could be visual for a distance. So, a person who is standing even very far could know that this would be the place he has to locate. So, these paintings were made on the caves or the rocks which were huge in size. This Paleolithic period was divided into two phases. Number 1, Lower Paleolithic. Number 2, Upper Paleolithic. अब हम बात करते हैं लोअर पैलियोलिथिक की. Why did not have any art form that existence? It was the basic subsistence that was important during that time. However, when we came to know Upper Paleolithic age, we have human figure, we have activities of animals, geometric designs which were seen as the earlier signs of paintings during that time. Some of the archaeologists who divided the paintings in India were Crookboard, Anderson, Mitra and Ghosh. First rocks painting in India is discovered in 1867-68 and it was really 12 years before it discovered Altamira in Spain. So, the rocks shattered with that were found near the Lakhudiyar were very important for now these rocks. Structure divided into three aspects. It was man, animal, geometrical design. So, when we say man, what was the classic characteristics? He was depicted as a kind of stick-like figure with dancing figure. The animals were basically long structured. The common example were fox, bison. Then they have multiple legs. Lizard, they were commonly seen during this period. Now you have geometrical designs. These geometrical designs would be in the form of small dots or in the form of rectangular, being filled by with different colors. Now, what are the primary colors that were used during that time was black, white and red. So, three colors were the basic colors of this time and men used these colors for painting. Time, the major area where we have seen the caves equation, so as you can see Most of the caves equations came from of region of the central India. Bhimbetkar was the one of the major area where you had the equation. Now we were talk about the Bhimbetkar. As you can see, it's located south of Bhopal and Madhya Pradesh. The idea is there was 800 rocks shelters of 500 have the caves painting seen that were these again. These were superimposition in paintings. अब हमने देखा कि ये लोग वाइट, येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड, पर्पल, ग्रीन आदि कलर्स का प्रयोग करते थे. अब ये कैसे इन कलर्स का प्रयोग करते थे, इनका यूज़ किस प्रकार करते थे. सम स्टिकी सब्सटेंस सच एज एनिमल फैट और गम और रीजन ऑफ ट्रीज मे बी यूज्ड while mixing rocks powder with water. Brushes were made of plants fiber. It is believed that these colors remained thousands of years because of chemical reaction of these oxide present on the surface of the rocks. Paintings were found both from occupied and unoccupied caves. It means that these paintings were sometimes used also as some sports or signal, warning, etc. Many rocks, art, sides of few paintings are painted on top of an older painting. In Bhimbetkar, we can see nearly 20 layers of paintings, one on the top of another. It shows the gradual development of the human being from period to period. The symbolism is impression from nature along with slight spirituality. Expression of idea through very few drawings. What we can learn from these paintings. अर्थात हमें इन पेंटिंग से क्या समझ में आया. These prehistoric paintings help us to understand about early human beings, their lifestyle, their food, habits, their daily activities, and above all, they help us understand their mind, the way they thought. Prehistoric period remains are a great witness of the evaluation of human civilization through the numerous rocks, weapons, tools and bones. More than anything else, the rocks painting are the greatest wealth the primitive human beings of this period left behind. हमारी पेंटिंग्स हमारे लाइफस्टाइल को बताती हैं, हमारे फूड को बताती हैं, हमारे हैबिट्स को बताती हैं, हमारी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ को बताती हैं. तो जो ये केव्स पेंटिंग हैं ये हमारे विषय में बहुत कुछ छोड़ के गई हैं. हमारे टूल्स, वेपन्स, बोन्स, सिविलाइजेशन, ह्यूमन बींग्स, ये सारी चीज़ें हम इस पेंटिंग के माध्यम से समझ सकते हैं. मुझे उम्मीद है आपको मेरा चैप्टर समझ में आया